Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have for you guys another beauty box unboxing. This one is Ricky's Cult Crushes. This is a monthly subscription box. This is June's box. I am a little bit late to the show because I just recently got off the wait list and I qualified in time to get June's box. So here it is. I have no idea what is inside. All I've done is break the seal on the box. Again, I don't know what products I have. I have seen so many videos of unboxings, I should say, of the Ricky's Cult Crushes. If you guys have watched my videos for any length of time, you know that I am obsessed with all things New York City. It is like my dream. If I could sum my life up and put it into a city, it would be New York City. So Ricky's is actually out of New York City. They're actually a cosmetic store. They sell everything from hair extensions, costumes, hair dyes, to cosmetics, brushes, tools, shampoos, skincare, you name it. It's pretty much all around a beauty store. It's been there for many, many years and it has a cult following. So they came up with the Ricky's Cult Crushes box. This is my first box. I believe this used to be $10 a month, but they recently raised it to $14 a month. And I believe you are supposed to get around $50 of product inside. Typically, I think it's more sample or deluxe size. I know that sometimes they might throw in something full size, but I think it's more along the lines of something like Birchbox or IPSY or something like that. So let's just go ahead and jump into the video and go over what's inside this box. All right, so here is the box that it comes in. I'll cover up my address, but this is what the front of the box looks like. Open it up. Like I said, I hope I'm liking what's in this box. So here is what the inside of the box looks like. As you can see, there is a card, some stuffing, and then the product lying inside. And then obviously in here, it will tell you what is included in this box. So let's start off here with the Gulsha Ultimate Rose Water Spray. Okay, so this is the Gulsha Ultimate Rose Water. I don't see on here that it's a spray. It looks more like, let's see here, a dropper. So I don't know why they call it a dropper, but this says it's a topical rose water. It says it is done by distillation of fresh rose petals. It will protect, soothe, and tone your skin. Plus, it's the perfect on-the-go pick-me-up for hot summer days. It smells fantastic. If you love the scent of natural rose, you will love this. It says this is for all skin types, paraben-free, alcohol-free, glycol and gluten-free, colorant, and perfume-free. So there you have it. This is an all-natural product, which is fantastic. I can't wait to try that out. I actually really like rose water. The next one is the Murad Clarifying Cleanser. So that is this right here. This says a 1.5% salicylic acid for an acne treatment. To be honest, you guys, I am playing with so much skincare right now that chances are I probably won't get to this. I don't really battle with a whole lot of acne. I might get a hormonal zit here and there, but I might just give this away to my sister to see if she is interested in trying it because I just don't see myself using it. And again, working where I work, I get bombarded with skincare and it's really rare that I can even find another product to fit into the mix. The next one is the Iroha, I hope I'm saying that right, Foil Tissue Patches. Here they are. It says this is from Divine Collection. It comes with 2 patches in it. It says this is gold plus collagen. These are under eye patches. I actually love under eye patch treatment, so I'm actually super excited to try this out. And it does come with 2. So this has collagen plus a Q10 serum. So basically it's CoQ10, which is amazing for cellular growth. So this should rejuvenate and really hydrate under the eyes. And with the gold, brighten things up. So I can't wait to try that out. The next one is the Hairfinity Healthy Hair Vitamins. This is another one I don't see myself taking. I am really picky about the supplements that I take, and it looks like there is enough in here. It says there's 14 capsules. You should take 2 capsules, so this will last about a week. I'm gonna find someone in my family or a friend that is interested in trying something like this out. It says obviously it's supposed to support your hair and nail growth. It contains vitamins A and D, niacin, biotin, and vitamin B12 to strengthen from the inside out. So there's that looks like. Kind of a cute little sample, pretty interesting. I've never really seen anything like that in this sample box before, a subscription box before. Next we have the Avatara face mask, and that is these right here. So you get 2 of them. One of them is the Shape Up face mask. This one says it's good for delicate skin. Both of these are going to be paraben, silicone free, mineral oil free, and then this one here is for uneven skin. So this one says even out and then get the skinny on smaller pores. So this one is supposed to help tighten, retexturize, and revitalize the look of uneven skin, and has a cocktail of pore minimizers. I love trying out new masks. That is something that I always have a room for in my regimen. So these look really awesome. I don't see any mineral oils or anything. These look like they have some pretty good ingredients in them. So I am excited to try that out. And last but not least, we have a Suva Beauty Shimmer Shadow. Lighten and brighten your eyes by adding a touch of glitter. 4-gram pan shadow. Unfortunately, mine is broken, it looks like. That's actually the first time I've actually received something in a subscription box that is broken. So maybe I will write to them. I don't know what their policy is on replacing broken items, but I did pay $14 for this box. So I will definitely be reaching out to them because it's pretty broken up in there. I don't even know what shade this is, Empire State. Okay, now I definitely have to because the shadow name falls in line with New York City. It looks like it's just like a pretty pearlized pink tone. I could see myself using that shade for sure. So overall, would I say this box is worth the 14 bucks? I would say so. I got some things in here that I wanted to try, definitely with the masks, the under eye masks, and the rose water toner. Again, if this is good for, you know, helping yourself out. I talk too fast that sometimes my words come out all shitty. So excuse me for that. But the rose water toner, if you pop this in the fridge and you just got done working out or you've had a long day in the sun and you just want to brighten the skin, tone it up and refreshen and get like that cool hit of moisture, this is perfect for that. So these 4 items I'm the most excited for. I would really like to try out this eyeshadow, so I am going to send a message to their customer service, and that will be hopefully a review for the next time to see how well that works out. I will say, from the time that I signed up for this box, it got to me really quickly, less than a week. I got it after my $14 payment cleared. So I'm a little bit on the fence. Like I said, I got some things in here that I want to try, so I think I will keep it until next month to see what I get in July's box. I should let you know that the title of this month's box was The Prep Steps, and it says you can get 25% off all your orders with the subscription. So yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think that this box looks interesting. If you'd like to see me do further unboxings from this brand. Have you tried out Ricky's Cult Crushes before? I would love to hear what you think. And if you haven't, what do you think of the items that I got in this box? Of course, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, share it, comment down below. I hate to have to keep saying this, but if you are subscribed to my channel and you haven't hit that bell button yet, be sure to hit it. Otherwise, you will not get any notifications of my videos. Unfortunately, YouTube is making it harder and harder for us content creators to be noticed, unfortunately. So if you really truly enjoy my content, be sure to hit that bell button so you get notifications and you can show me the love. I love responding to your guys' comments, and I try to respond to everyone. I like to interact with you guys. I want to thank you to those who have been supporting me along the way. We are creeping up on 3,500 subscribers, which is so amazing. I can't even believe it. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you have a beautiful weekend. Talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.